busy life. Should have thought yours next to it.
I know.
Oh, so what's that?
Again today with chocolate. I'm going to be doing today, everyone, is doing a bit of painting. I painted this. I don't know what it is, but it goes in the cappuccino somewhere in the engine bay, and it came off, or I took it off. But yes, I'll be painting this bad boy, or I have painted this bad boy, but I'll be painting something else as well today. I'll be painting something yellow. You got it. I'll be painting my cappuccino today, hopefully. I'm just gonna get paint, and I am gonna, bad boy BMX with the people. It's fucked up. Pardon me. It's fucked at the moment. Where's that can gone? Do-do-do. There it is. I'll be painting my cappuccino with these cans. A Montana Hardcore. This shit does not come off because it's actually gone onto the can itself. You can't see it, but if you look up close, it's actually gone on the can itself, and it won't come off. So it's really strong paint, and it probably won't come off when I want to get rid of it. So that'll be pretty interesting. But yes, I'll be painting the cappuccino today. Me with the help of a friend of mine who owns a unit, so who works in a unit, who was a unit, and he said I could do it there, so that'll be cool to do it indoors. I was going to do it on my drive, but as you can see, there's already paint everywhere. Like there's paint there, some blue paint over there. There's all sorts of paint in this place. Look at my toolbox. In red and blue. What olive blue it is as well. Look at that. Mazda Perky Blue, if you guys want that colour. I'm painting my cappuccino in RV238, which is giant yellow, or Amarillo Gigante. Get that shit. Also, I've got fat caps. I bought a set, I think 2 sets or something. They're pretty cheap. What are they, like £1, 99p for a few or something. And they spray pretty well. I mean, there's some yellow there as well. My cappuccino bits intercooler. And the cool thing is, or the not so cool thing is, my intercooler fell off the other day. And I pulled over. Guy walked past, he said, "Bro, there's so many sparks coming from under your car." I was like, "Yeah man, don't worry. I've got this, and I looked at my intercooler, was literally on the floor. It wasn't on properly, and I still haven't put it on properly, but it's boosting. So I'm thinking for this drift day, so I don't have any problems, I'll put the standard intercooler back on. But what I'll do is I'll take it with the intercooler, the big intercooler on, and take it around a few laps. If it holds, it holds. If it doesn't, then I'll put the standard one back on, and it should be fine. I mean, I'd have a bit less whatever you do get with a turbo intercooler thingy, but yes, my intercooler fell off, so that's more news. What else? I went to a bit of a car show today. Me and Shari went to a Bradford car show. It's called Classic Car Bradford or something. Yep, Classic Car in Bradford. Classic car show. A few nice cars. I saw Chris from the Bozu Meets, who organised Bozu Meets. I saw him. He runs a brand. A brand. I don't know what's happened to me today. I think it's all fiberglass in my throat. You can tell there's fiberglass on my bike. Yeah, fucking. Well, yeah, I saw Chris in his MR2 shouting at people because they were touching his car. He was there. His car's beautiful. I mean, I saw it. It stood out like a fucking parked next to a Viper, the original Viper standard one. And I thought, whoa, he couldn't have parked it somewhere better, to be honest, because there's just. And yeah, he was around. I was just chatting to him for a bit. I might go to a car show tonight in Leeds. I don't know what sort of car show it is. It's like a muscle car thing, but I'm getting interested in a lot of. I've always been interested in them, but I like lowriders, and I've really been looking at getting one. I can't afford one. I've got no money, and I'm planning on going to Japan, so I'm not really going to do anything yet, but I would love to get like a 70s box Chevy or a Buick Regal or something. I'd love to get a 64 Impala. I know everybody knows what a 60. If you're on this channel and you don't know what a 64 Impala is, then yeah, you're looking at the wrong things. 64 Impala, one of the coolest lowriders you can get. The respect that car's got, it's just something else. But I'd want a Buick Regal or box Chevy of some sort. Get some wire wheels on it. I was thinking getting some wire wheels for my car. I'm not sat in fucking garage. I'm not going to pay. I'm going to pick the cap off. I was meant to order 10 cans, but there's only 9, so I must have clicked something wrong. I can't be asked ordering another, so I've got half a can, so I've got 9.5 cans, or 8.5 cans. Yes, everyone, it's getting ready for painting. So this is the last time I'm going to see it red. I think I'm going to miss it very much. That's all I've really got to say. Bye bye red. Cappuccino, hello yellow cappuccino, I guess.
but we got it done. I didn't want to take it last night. We thought we'd leave it to dry properly because it started raining, and who knows what would happen if I drove it home. There'd be yellow trails everywhere. So it's like 9-10 o'clock in the morning. I'm just waiting for him to pick me up, and we're gonna go get it, and hopefully it looks alright. So it's surprisingly, I think we used 7 cans. However, it didn't fully cover it. I think it's because it's red underneath, and we tried going yellow over it. We had to go over it a few times, so more or less 10 cans would be respraying the whole thing. So 10 cans would be bang on. So it's not perfect, unfortunately, but I can probably just touch it up anyway because I've got 2 more cans left. I just couldn't bother doing it last night. I should have done, but I didn't. So I'm gonna have to live with that now.
Alright guys, so the car's done. I've brought it home and it looks kind of sweet. It looks really sweet actually, so I'll flip this camera around and I'll stick the Graffcity decal on. There she is in all her glory. Obviously we didn't paint the inside. Inside's still red. Home Bargains paint job. I don't know if I should paint my arches yellow though. The number plate's also not on properly and there's overspray everywhere, but the bonnet's a bit, I don't know if you can see it, but the bonnet is a bit patchy because it was red and it was hard to sort of cover. But I've got 2 cans left, so I might just go over it again. A few bits I need to put on, like them vent things. But yeah, it looks pretty neat. This side was really patchy. You can probably see that. There's like dark patches. But yeah, what shall I do with the arches? I sorted this arch out because there's a massive crack in it. But yeah, yellow JDM.